Welcome back. What we're going to do now is we're going to save all of the elements of the episode. And what you'll be able to do is to preview the entire episode by clicking on this button. And you'll be able to hear all of the various elements as you have them added inside of your episode. Now, another way to create an audio episode is to click on this button that says Create an Episode. That's going to bring you to this screen, and it's going to look similar to the one where you uploaded your audio. Now, the only difference is going to be that you're going to record the audio here in this screen. You can click on this button, you're going to see record audio. And basically what you're going to see is that you're going to have an input using your personal computer into Spotify. And you'll be able to record your podcast inside of the platform to create a specific audio that will then end up in your library area. Once you have recorded the audio, you can then drag and drop the audio into the episode area so that you can begin adding elements to it, such as intro, outro, transition, and any other content that you're going to make available. Now, Spotify does give you a link to something called Riverside, where you can record video for your episode. Now, it's important to note that even though Riverside is integrated with your Spotify podcaster account, this is a paid application. And so if you choose to start creating videos with Riverside, you will have limitations to get started, and eventually you will be paying a subscription to use the platform. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.